Hello friends. Have you ever finished dinner only to feel too full, heavy, or uncomfortable when you lie down? I think many of us know that feeling. And it can be worse as we get older. Because our digestion slows a bit with age. The good news is, you don't have to give up enjoying dinner. A few small changes can make evening meals feel lighter, calmer, and kinder to the stomach. One simple idea is to keep dinner lighter than lunch. Instead of a heavy plate late in the day, think of dinner as a gentle meal to close the evening. A small piece of grilled fish or baked chicken, with some steamed vegetables, can be enough to satisfy without weighing you down. The key is balance, not size. Another favorite of mine is a warm bowl of soup or stew. There's something about soup in the evening, it's comforting. It hydrates, and it's easy to digest. A simple vegetable soup, lentil stew, or chicken broth with rice can make the body feel nourished and calm at the same time. Add a slice of whole grain bread if you want a little extra fiber. For grains, choose ones that the stomach handles more gently, like rice, quinoa, or oatmeal. These give steady energy but won't sit heavy like fried foods, or rich pasta dishes sometimes do. Pair them with cooked vegetables, zucchini, carrots, or spinach, and drizzle a bit of olive oil for flavor and smooth digestion. Don't forget the little helpers nature gives us. Ginger, parsley, or fennel are herbs that can soothe the stomach. Even sprinkling a bit of fresh parsley over your meal, or sipping ginger tea after dinner can make a difference. Another important habit is timing. Try to finish dinner 2 to 3 hours before bed. That gap gives your body time to process the food before lying down, which helps prevent acid reflux or restless sleep. If you do need a snack closer to bedtime, keep it small and light. Maybe a banana, yogurt, or a handful of nuts. I also want to say this eating slowly matters. Take your time, chew well, and enjoy the flavors. Often, discomfort comes not from the food itself but from eating too quickly. A slower pace gives your body the chance to keep up, and your meal becomes more enjoyable too. The point isn't to make dinner boring or restrictive. It's about choosing foods and routines that leave you feeling good afterward. You should finish dinner with a sense of satisfaction, not regret. So tonight, instead of something heavy or fried, try a bowl of soup, a light plate of fish and vegetables, or a gentle grain dish. Notice how much more peaceful your evening feels, and how much better you sleep. Thank you for sharing your evening with me. If this video was helpful, please share it with your family or friends. I truly wish you good health. Always. Please remember to like, subscribe, and click the bell for updates.